How are you? Welcome back to Wealthy Coin, where trillion Shiba Inu coins just disappeared. Shib News reported a massive burn, and Shiba Inus were among the biggest losers on the crypto market. Make a change. Most buyers are keeping an eye on the token to see if it has a chance to reach the highs of 2021. Also, the start of the game Shiba Eternity has been pushed back to October 6. We'll talk about trillion Shiba Inu coins just gone in this movie. Burn came in a big way. Bad news. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. In particular, Shib has shown signs of coming together in recent days as developers on the platform try to make the environment more viable by adding things like the metaverse and decentralized finance. At the same time, the token hasn't gotten as much attention as meme cryptocurrencies did during their rapid rise last year. The crypto community expects Shiba Inu to trade at an average price of 13 cents by the end of October 2022, based on data obtained by Finbolt from the coin market cap price estimation feature on September 30. The estimate is based on votes from 6,167 people in the community and is an increase of about 20% from Shib's price of 11 cents. After a big drop in price and a few weeks of less interest in the asset, people are now optimistic about Shib. Before, the lack of attention was thought to be because there wasn't much use for it. The development community has taken several steps to change this. Even though the DeFi platform hasn't grown as fast as expected, the token's entry into the non-fungible token and gaming markets gives people hope. One example is the Kiboshes project, which is a collection of Shiba Inu non-fungible tokens that will let holders actively participate in NFT minting and trading. The community is also paying more attention to digital land acquisition and VR gaming. Also, Shib keeps working on its way to get to a deflationary state by burning tokens. Since the community cut Shib production, more than 410 trillion tokens have been burned elsewhere. Shib is also keeping track of more whale behavior, which is a sign that things are looking up. For example, a tweet from Whale Stats on September 27 shows that Shiba Inu was the token that the top 1,000 Ethereum whales owned the most of. Even though the community is optimistic, Shib has been hurt by things like not being able to get people to use its DeFi tool, Shiba Swap, especially Shiba Swaps. In the past few weeks, the total value of locks has been steadily going down. According to data from Etherscan.io, the 98th biggest chip holder recently spent $3,417,000 to buy 300 billion Shib in two large deals in the last 24 hours. According to the story, the wealthy Shib investor started buying and selling about 15 hours ago and spent $2,278,000 on the first record transaction to add 200 billion worth. The amplest Shib holder didn't stop there. About 12 hours ago, he bought 100 billion Shib for $1,139,000. This was his second purchase. After the big buildup, the biggest Shib whale only moved a small number of 19,928,406. Shib worth $227 to two anonymous wallets in two different deals. Even though the money was moved, the 98th largest Shib whale now has 321,919,673,229 worth. $3,657,007. Because the biggest Shib holder bought so many, the trading volume of the most famous cryptocurrency with a dog theme jumped more than 52% in the last day to $275.45 million. In a recent list of the top 10 Ethereum blockchain projects with a good social signal, Shiba Swap was named first. With a social signal score of 698,476, Shiba Swap has the highest score of all Ethereum-related projects. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is the second Ethereum project on the list. It got 494,612 social signal scores. Everrise, Crypto.com, DeFi Swap, and OpenSea are some of the other top Ethereum projects on the list. Given how famous Shiba Inu has become, it is not surprising to see Shiba Swap at the top of the list. During those 2 years, people who like Shiba Inu are always eager to talk about the projects that involve Shib. Shiba Swap is the official Shiba Inu trade that is not run by a single group. The team made it so that Shiba Inu could be used for more things, which breaks the meme coin title. A Chinese court just recently made it legal to trade in cryptocurrency, recognizing it as a digital object similar to real money. The court in Beijing said that locals could trade cryptocurrencies, but they couldn't use them instead of real money. This takes some pressure off of cryptocurrency, not just in China but also for traders who do business abroad from the country. After the court's ruling, Shiba Inu is one of these cryptocurrencies that is often traded in China. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency based on dogs, is becoming more popular by the day. BitPay, the biggest cryptocurrency payment service in the world, said that Shiba Inu owners could use the cryptocurrency to buy items from Room to Go, the third biggest maker of furniture in the United States. The change happened after BitPay announced that the largest furniture maker in the US now takes cryptocurrency payments for its products. To mark the achievement, Rooms to Go started giving customers who buy furniture with Shib and other coins a 7% cashback. BitPay said in its statement that the deal will only last for a short time. Jeffrey and Maurice Seaman started it in September 1990. Rooms to Go is an American furniture company that sells things like eating sets, bedroom sets, and living room sets, among other things, and so on. Furniture Today says that Rooms to Go has more than 132 locations and is the third largest furniture business in the United States. The company's main office is in Sefner, Florida, which is in the United States. The Shiba Inu community has a lot of hopes for the day that Shiba Forever can be downloaded. Recently, the game's token had a short rise in price before the price went down again. When Eternity's price went up, other cryptocurrencies were going down. Users of the Shiba Inu card game can switch between fighting great card wars and getting better at building decks. The game's makers are currently running a contest for trailers. The contestants have to make a 32ND film preview of the app. The people running the game say that the winners will get $5,000 worth of Shib tokens. In the meantime, new data from the crypto analytics company Whale Stats shows that Ethereum whales are still buying more Shib tokens, which are still their best way to buy transaction volume on Shib. On September 28, the number of tokens rose to about $23.50 million. If the Shiba Eternity's download day's hopes come true, the price of the Shib could go up even more. After the Shiba Eternity game came out in Australia, the price of Shibs went up for a short time. So, it's likely that the value of the meme coin will go up even more when the blockchain-based card game is made available to everyone else. In the meantime, the Shib team has changed the date that the eagerly awaited Shiba Eternity game will come out. The statement said that the launch date would now be October 6, 2022, instead of October 1. But the ecosystem's lead creator, Satoshi Kusama, said that the game's story and plans would be made public on October 1, 2022. In a Twitter Space event on September 23, the Shib team said that the download day for Shiba Eternities would be on October 1. Even though the download day has changed, the community still wants to get Shiba Eternity to the top of all apps in the app stores. This would give the card